What's going on, everybody? It's Tree Man coming at you with a fresh new video. We got the second car vlog coming up. We got bitches back here hiding out in the kitchen. And then we got Elijah right here. He's going to come show off his car with us. So let's go get right in. Alright, so here it is. It's this bright red Toyota Camry. That's what it is, right?
Yep, supercharged Toyota Camry.
That's right. What year?
2010.
That's right, yeah. If you come to the back, you can really see all the nice Toyota badges. No, JK, it's an Infiniti. It's the undercover 370Z.
Oh yeah. But it's sexier looking. I need the Nismo wing right here.
It's not sexier than that, though. By that, I mean that Honda Accord. Look at that thing. Sexualicious.
Sexy.
All right, let's go for a drive. All right. So here we are in the Infiniti. He's getting ready to do the cold start for the warm start. It's not cold.
Warm start. It won't be as loud.
It's definitely not cold. It's like 90 degrees out.
Yeah, I think it's like 97 degrees. I'm fucking sweating balls out here. All right, here we go.
It's got witchcraft. It doesn't have a key, and it's got one too many gears. I don't like it.
And you have to put it in reverse a special way. I don't know if you guys know this, but in I believe VWs are a similar way, but with Nissan and Infiniti, to put it in reverse, you don't just go like that. That's 6th gear. You actually have to push down and then go over into the back. And this one, my guidance, I mean, you can really feel it go into reverse better than 6th. So you really know, but I mean, if you're, that retarded, you could just, look at the backup camera that comes on when it's in reverse. I don't need that though. So we're gonna go for a quick cruise. You guys are about to, your ears are about to bleed right now. So you guys might want to turn the volume down on the video. Just fair warning, I'm not responsible for bleeding ears. So let's go.
Possibly the loudest exhaust ever.
Yeah, my ears bleed a little bit on the side.
I thought you weren't liable for ears bleeding.
Well, I mean, it's my own ears, so I'm not as important. Me and our buddy Jake tried, and no bueno. Can't get it to spit fucking flames. That's the car wash I go to, typically. That nigga was...
That dude, the minivan's out here.
He really out there, though. I should have threw a rev when he fucking was bumping by. That lady running just turned her head, bro, through her headphones.
Bro, you just made her break her neck.
Man, what y'all think? Can I make a pull on Tyus's fucking STI? I don't know. Maybe we'll find out later on. Stay in tune. I think the way I'm gonna win if I ever race Tyus is that he's gonna lose his hearing and it'll throw him all off and I'm gonna win the race that way. That's how I'm gonna win. What do you think, Tree?
I don't need to hear to drive. I'll be so far ahead of you I won't hear you.
Right now at idle it's pretty quiet, but like as soon as you just I love it. See any people on the bikes?
Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this little preview of Elijah's G37. It was just a little taste of the car. We were supposed to have some GoPro footage to go along with the point of view of him driving it, but some technical difficulties occurred. The GoPro, you know, sometimes they're not always all they're cracked up to be. They have problems. But this is only a preview of it. Coming up in the next episode of the car vlog, we're actually going to be doing a car swap where he drives the STI and I drive the G37 with hopefully working GoPro footage and possibly even a second GoPro if we can get our boy Jake to come through with either his Legacy or his TDI, whichever one he brings. We're not sure yet. So, until then, be sure to smash the subscribe button if you're not subscribed, like the video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day and that you enjoyed the video.